Alright, so a limited release of the Canadian spa company Hemlock Wood Saunas will come with an LED light panel that will need to be installed by the customer. It's a fairly simple process. We're just going to show you the steps to do that right now. So you will get your LED light panel and control box, which will be hooked up. First thing you'll need to do is disconnect the wire, because that will need to be threaded through the roof panel. You'll need to unscrew the collar and pull quite forcefully. It can be a bit sticky from factory, so we've removed the cables. Now we want to make sure that the triangular brackets on the four sides are placed in the upright position. Those are going to be placed through the four corresponding slits in the roof panel. You're also going to want to thread the power cord through the circular cutout. Once the panel's in place, you're going to need to hold it there, and we're going to flip the panel around to put in the securing pieces of doweling that will hold the light in place. Alright, now we're working with the back side of the panel. We've got our triangular brackets poking through the corresponding slits. Now we're just going to secure the dowels into the remaining space in those triangular brackets, which will hold the light panel in place. You should also receive some extra dowels just in case, so don't worry about that. Alright, once we've got the light panel secured to the roof panel, you're going to get your light control box and wiring. You're going to need to reconnect the barrel connector and redo the screw-on collar. You might need to push a little hard to get it fully inserted. There you go. So once we've got that, you've got your light control wire, which will need to get threaded through the roof panel so it can connect to the actual sensor. And then there's a peeled adhesive backing on the back of the control module. You'll just remove that and affix it to the roof panel. Once that's done, you'll get your AC adapter power cord, plugging the barrel connection into the opposite end of the control box, which doesn't have any wires protruding from it yet. Now it does. There you go. Now you have installed the lighting control box, and there's a power cord. You just need to run that through to an outlet, and you are away to the races and ready to use your sauna lighting system with the remote. Final installation of your LED light panel for your sauna. As you can see, you've got the remote sensor sticking out of the roof panel. That is completely normal. And now you can cycle through your different lighting colors. I believe you can also adjust the speed at which the colors change. And now you're ready to enjoy the chromotherapy offered with your Canadian spa company Hemlock Sauna.